Hello and welcome to Minerals, Rocks, and Fossil Talks. I'm your geo teacher, Jen, and it's time for Throwback Thursday. This is Curtis Fletcher Marbut. He was born on July 19th, 1863 in Verona, Missouri to farmers Nathaniel Marbut and Jane Browning. Which is super cool. We're birthday buddies. Rock on, dude. Now, even though he worked on his parents' farm, his mother encouraged him to learn as much as he could. He later said, quote, I owe more to her steady guidance in times of hesitation and doubt than to any other influence. He was appointed to the Missouri State Geological Survey as a field geologist and then became a geology instructor at the University of Missouri. Man. Now, in high school, I lived in Missouri, and I remember hearing all about KU, Mizzou, or whatever. So when I moved to Montana and people kept talking about Missoula, I was a little confused. Anyway, while he was teaching, he published his first paper entitled Physical Features of Missouri. Now, as I said, having lived there, I was not terribly impressed with the physical features, but I also grew up in the Southwest, where the topography was a little more, well, dramatic. He eventually got promoted to full professorship and served as the director of the Soil Survey of Missouri. In 1909, his beloved wife died unexpectedly of double pneumonia, and he took a leave of absence from the university. He spent the rest of his life working as a soil scientist for the Bureau of Soils in the United States Department of Agriculture. Now, did you guys know there was a Department of Soils? Or a Bureau of Soils? Because I didn't. I knew there was a Department of Agriculture. I did not realize there was a bureau dedicated to soil. Anyway, now we all know. During his time with the Bureau, he discovered the work of Russian soil scientists, ones that we have previously talked about, and found they were far ahead of the US, so he opted to translate their work and implemented their techniques here. Perhaps his biggest contribution was the Soil Group's map of the United States. And it's super impressive and super detailed, so if you ever want to look for it, all you have to do is look up Curtis Marbut soil map, and you should be able to find it. Well, thanks for coming to today's lesson. Make sure you tune in tomorrow to learn more about Brumastega, and I will fossilize you later.